Hi guys! Okay, so today is the 20th night and it is currently 8:29 p.m. and tomorrow is the 21st of September, which means it's my sister's birthday! She's turning 21 tomorrow on the 21st of September in the year 2021. How iconic can it be? So, tomorrow is her birthday, and I think I'm more excited than her. She's currently gone to get dinner for us, so it's only me, my mom, and dad in the room right now, and this was the perfect time to talk about it. We are gonna be surprising her at 12. My mom and my dad are gonna be out, so she doesn't have an idea at all what's gonna happen. So, they're gonna come with, I don't think so, cake at 12. Just gonna get a slice of cake maybe. Anyways, it's just 12 and I'm really excited for her and I hope she gets her day to be fun and I can't wait. I literally can't wait. So I'll meet you guys around 11ish or 12, I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated.
Happy birthday to you.
Like the light.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Hi.
No, I was sitting
Oh, you got a prosecco.
because it's 21.
Good morning from London. So today is the 21st of September, which is my sister's birthday. And I'm sure you guys are wishing in the comments, or maybe no, but anyways, if you have, then thank you. Thank you so much for the lovely wishes. And right now, we just came back from our breakfast place, and we are supposed to do our COVID test. This is the self-COVID test, which my sister is gonna do for me, my mom, and my dad, and I'm shit scared because I hate COVID tests, as you guys know. It's gonna be a very fun day. I'm really excited, and I hope you are. Okay, it's my turn because mama is on the call, so I'm gonna do my COVID test now. No, careful now. What sister you have? Hi guys, so this is the progress. I've done my eye makeup, I've done my whole look except my lipstick, and my outfit is to be worn. I'm loving the eye makeup. It's literally matching my outfit, what I'm wearing. I'm definitely going to show it to you guys. Okay, so the birthday girl is getting ready, my dad is getting ready, my mom is getting ready. Birthday girl is not keeping well. Yeah, she has like a slight cough and body pain, so she's like a little tired, but she tested herself. The results came negative. That's why we're heading out today. I hope she'll be in a good mood today, but it's a really exciting day. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll keep you guys updated. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. This is the Guess hoodie. I just bought it and it's a new one and I haven't worn it yet. With this, I'm gonna be pairing my black jeans and my Nike Air Force, and I'll wear this hoodie and be back. We're ready and we're going to go. Ah! Okay, so we clicked tons of pictures over here and we're waiting for my sister Sav because she went to change her shoes. Because she wore one which was really heavy, so we wouldn't be able to walk. And the plan is we'll be heading to Camden Town, Camden Market, I don't know what you call it, but then yeah, from there we'll have an afternoon tea kind of a place, which I will tell you in a bit, but I'm really excited for the day. I'm so happy, my cousin is here and it's so good. Hi besties, we are out of the hotel now and going to the underground to take the train to Camden Market. Yay! And this is the street, the Oxford Street. Basically you get all the shops, like every designer place or every clothing store or any store right in the street. Like this is like the shopping center, you can call it like the shopping center of London. So that's the reason we made sure we got a hotel in the Oxford Street, so it would be easy for us to go for shopping. And look at the beautiful clouds, guys. I can't get over the sky, like literally. Oh my god, it's been a day since we reached London and we didn't go to the metro, and finally we are in the tube station. I feel good. This is what I missed. I missed this so much.
This is Central Line train to Wood House.
Okay, so we are in the Oxford Circus. Okay, the train started moving, and now we're gonna go to the Tottenham Court Road. So yeah. We are in Camden Town. So this is basically a town with all shopping places, but then you can bargain stuff, so you get all designer things for cheaper, or like any earrings, like scarves or bags. So this is gonna be a fun day. Okay, so we stopped at this place where it is like when you straight come out from the underground station, you get this place on your left, and this is all trendy jackets, like all loose ones. And my mom happened to find a jeans jacket which she wanted one since so long, and finally she's got one. The street is so pretty. I love the roads. We have come to this place around the bridge in the Camden Town, and you have these all food places. These all stalls are there, like Dutch pancakes, Lulu, curries and things, and there's street food. You get bubble tea over here. I'm excited to have bubble tea. I ordered for myself a taro bubble tea. I am too thirsty. Hi, so I got my bubble tea from Lily's in Camden Town. It's a taro flavor. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna have it. Wow. Wow. It's like I'm having a milkshake first. Dad got what?
Halloumi fries.
Halloumi fries. Dad got, what do you say this?
Malai chicken.
Dad got malai chicken. So everyone got their meals.
We can walk around.
I got a juice because I wasn't hungry enough. I was only thirsty. So now we are gonna head in to the other side of the market. Walking right inside the town. Got my first purchase in Camden Town. So we came in to this place where there are amazing oversized jackets for like £15, and I got a few in my hand. This is an amazing place. Like, why are the clouds so freaking pretty today? Oh my god. So we are done with the Camden Town market shopping, and now we're gonna head to one of the most exciting places I'm about to show you guys. We got on the Waterloo station, and now we are heading to the Greenwich station, I guess. We're taking by the Jubilee line, and we are gonna go. Hi. Okay, so really very tired.
Thank you.
Okay, So today now we are gonna head to a place called London in the Sky. Basically, you sit it and you can choose any of a meal, like a lunch, an afternoon tea or dinner. So we chose the afternoon tea because it's currently, I can't see the time, but I'll just put the time anyways. And we are gonna head for the afternoon tea, and it takes us basically in the sky, and we have an afternoon tea in the sky with an amazing sunset because it's obviously afternoon. Can't wait to go there. We are out of the tube, we reached the Greenwich station, and now we are gonna head to the London in the Sky place. And yeah, guys, it's right over there. Look at them having their afternoon tea. We are gonna do the same. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait to go up there. I literally can't wait. This is such a cool place. This is how they come down. Their ride is done. It's currently like 3 p.m. right now. So like we are 1 hour early, and 4 o'clock is our time to go up. And wow. Yep. Correct. Thank you. Okay, so we have got our bags and we are gonna go up with this car. It's really hot, to be honest. I shouldn't have worn this today, but anyways, we're gonna go. They've called us and I'm excited. So here we go in. This is the entrance to two spaceships. I'm gonna call them spaceships today. There are 2 spaceships. I guess this is already full. We are about to head on these.
How many of you are there?
6.
6 of you? Okay.
So we have got our 6 seats. I've chosen this on the edge, and we're gonna stand behind our seats. They come and latch me up in. I'm excited. So mom's turn. She's gonna sit in. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm stopping. Oh my god, I'm seated. I'm all secured in, and I've chosen the perfect place, I feel. That's Dad. That's Mom. That's Amal. That's Patty. This is my sister's staff. Oh my god, exciting.
Sky!
Guys, we up. Oh my god, look at this. I'm so scared. I hope I don't put my phone down. But oh my god, look at this. It's so good. Look at the sky. I'm just loving it. It's so pretty. We got our afternoon snacks. This is Prosecco wine, and we have macaroons on top. We have, I'm not sure, sandwiches. Okay, we have sandwiches and muffins. So we are turning. I had that angle before. Now I'm coming this side. It's all the building side. This angle was very pretty. I like this.
Okay, so when I say happy birthday to someone, 3 of you. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! My mama is shit scared. We came down. I didn't want this to end, but we down.
We give a massive round of applause. Yes, you're scared.
Did it! It was so good. It was amazing. The host was more amazing. What are your thoughts?
It was so nice.
It's not. It's not selfie.
And we were lucky to have a weather like that. It was
Oh yeah, it was actually about to rain, but then it did not. It was amazing.
the best time because you
Exactly, and the clouds were so pretty, just like us. But that was a 10 on 10 recommendation. You guys have to try if you are in London. London in the sky. Hi, so we are in the tube station right now, and we are taking the tube and heading back to the hotel because we have to go to the hotel and get freshen up because we have to go to the last thing of Stavi's birthday checklist, which is the birthday dinner. So yeah. Hi guys, yes, I'm again in the metro because we didn't have time. I didn't have time to film anything. we were running late because the reservation is at 7:30 and it's already 6:30, I guess. So we had to run faster, and I'm all ready. I'll definitely show you my outfit, and everyone looks amazing, even though it was all fast. But yeah, now we are heading and rushing to the restaurant. Okay, so the restaurant name is Tarshish, and that is the place where we are gonna be heading to. We reached the restaurant. It's called Tarshish, and from out it looks amazing. Can't wait to go in.
Hi, bounce, everybody.
Here.
Thank you.
Oh shit. No, this is what I call a classy restaurant. I love this. I ordered myself a 360 mocktail, and my sister ordered
Marilyn Monroe.
a Marilyn Monroe, which looks so fancy as the name. Wow. Okay, and Patty ordered for herself a Beehive mocktail.
Yes.
We give it a go.
Filo fried. No, I'm not having any more fried.
I know.
They don't
Wow.
have lamb anyway.
I don't want prawns because I'm on
Wow. So the starters have arrived. There's mixed mesa on the table, and there's passion fruit calamari. The mixed mesa is top class, and we're just enjoying our dinner. Dinner's here. Oh my god, this looks so yum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Savi. Happy birthday to you. We done. We officially done. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. My really sexy and cute satin dress is from Zara. My blazer on top. My coat is from Splash, and my bag is Gucci. My heels are from Primark, London. So that's my outfit of the day. We had our dinner and we're out. We are gonna be heading to the tube station, and then from there we're gonna head back to the hotel. Okay, we are inside the Hyde Park. We're out of the metro station. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I am again really sorry for not ending the video because we came back home at like 11:30, 12ish, and it was already late. And I wore boots that day, so it was really hard for me. I came home, I removed them off and just slept on the bed. But I hope you guys really enjoyed watching the video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big like. Don't forget to share, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, you'll get a small bell. Don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe because there are more amazing vlogs coming, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to always keep smiling. I love you.